Hey Manpreet, where are we again? Salmon River, Langley! Sitting on a private 1.24 acres, this nearly 3,200 square foot home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a huge rec room, and an office. Lots of room to grow into.
This gardener's dream backs onto the Salmon River Creek, offering ultimate privacy. Let's take a look.
If you have any questions about this listing or any of our listings, please give us a call at 778-322-7696. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Manpreet Sidhu with the Sherry Saran Real Estate Group, where creating better lives is our purpose.